Okay, let's talk about the Supercharger. So today Crypto.com just released their newest feature on the Crypto.com exchange, the Supercharger. And I'm going to tell you in the next minute what is all this about. The idea is that you'll stake your CRO tokens. That means whatever CRO tokens you have in your Crypto.com exchange balance, you can stake them for 30 days and get some Uniswap tokens in exchange for that. But let's see how this works. So there's first a charging period of 30 days, and then the second 30 days is for rewarding. So in the first 30 days, you can add and withdraw how many CRO you want. However, on every hour, the system will record how much CRO you had staked, so you can decide in the rewarding period how much Uni tokens you'll be rewarded. And this event now is for Uniswap protocol. You receive Uni tokens. However, in the next ones, there will be different coins added here. This is the first one, so we'll have to see if this is really profitable or not. So until the end of October, for the first 30 days, you'll stake your CRO tokens, and then during the month of November, you receive your rewards daily depending on how much CRO you had staked during the previous month. The nice thing about it is that your CRO tokens are not locked, so you can deposit and withdraw at any time, which will go hand in hand with the syndicate event. But I'm going to talk about that more a bit later. There are no participation requirements except the account that you'll need on the exchange, and for that you'll need the starter KYC. You'll have to verify your account and then just add CRO to your balance. Come here on the Supercharger page. If I click on learn more here, it will redirect me to the actual page of the event where I can participate. So it says that there are almost 30 days left. These are the first 30 days of the event, but you don't want to wait until the end of the event. You need to participate as early as possible and charge your stake here. Then you can select whatever amount you want. I will select the maximum amount I have available in my balance. I accept the terms and conditions. These are the details of my stake, and I confirm my deposit. You can find more details about the event and how everything works here on this page. But it's important to note that the more stake you have here, more Uni tokens you receive in return. But we don't know yet how good the return is, because they will calculate the returns only at the end of the charging period. So at the end of the charging period, they'll calculate how much CRO was staked in this event, and then they will divide it by $500,000 USD worth of Uni token, and that's how they'll decide how many tokens you will get. If I go to stake and earn and then Supercharger here, I will see how much stake I have, what's my liquidity score and my rewards, and then I can select to deposit more or to withdraw some of the funds that I have available here, which I want to do to participate in the syndicate event. So the next syndicate event will be for the band protocol, and it will be next week in 5 days. And when that time comes, I'll want to have 7,000 CRO to participate in the syndicate event. And what I will do, I'll go to Supercharger page, withdraw 7,000 CRO, participate in the syndicate event, and after the syndicate is over, I'm just going to return my CRO tokens to the Supercharger. Before today, between the syndicate events, I was moving my funds to the Cryptocom application and then put those CRO tokens in the flexible earn plan, which before today they were earning 14% per year while the funds were in the earn plan. However, they decided that starting today, they're only going to give us 5% per year for a flexible plan. That's if you have a 10,000 CRO stake on the application. If not, the return is only 3% per year. So what we'll have to see now if is the Supercharger event will actually return better yields than this. 3% or 5% per year is not that much, so it's possible that the Supercharger event will be better than that. We hope that it is, but we'll be able to tell that only at the end of the rewarding period. I should have said this at the beginning, but unfortunately this feature is not available in the US and China. I really hope they'll unlock these features for you if you are from the US. But until then, if you don't have a Crypto.com account, make sure to use my referral link, which will actually give you a chance to earn a sign-up bonus depending on how much CRO you stake, either on the application or the exchange. Be sure to check it out. Otherwise, if you are still using Coinbase or consider using Coinbase, check out this video where I tell you the 4 reasons why I don't use Coinbase anymore. I don't even recommend Coinbase Pro anymore because the alternatives are so much better. I'll see you there.